Hello there, welcome again to my YouTube channel Software QA Engineering, and I'm your QA mentor. As in previous lectures, we have seen software development life cycle phases, what is software testing, and software testing types. Today we are going to see the definition of these 5 software testing techniques. As these descriptions are very simple to understand. I have made you allow to copy this information if you want from description section of the video. Unit testing. Unit testing is a type which is done by the developers. Individual units or component of the software are tested in isolation to ensure they function correctly. Developers typically perform the unit testing to validate that each unit behaves as expected. And then developers makes a build and submit to the testing team. Second one is integration testing. The integration testing name itself suggests that the integration testing tests the different units or components, how they behave integrated manner. It verifies that integrated modules communicate correctly and maintain data integrity. See, if there are 5 modules in your software, in integration testing, the tester ensures that all the components of the software behaves as expected and their data integrity. Third one is system testing. Its name itself suggests that system testing means whole product testing combinedly. System testing evaluates the complete and integrated software system to validate that it meets specified requirement. It tests the system including functionality, performance, security and compatibility. Acceptance testing. See, in acceptance testing, its name itself suggests that it should be accepted by the user. So tester need to ensure that its acceptance criteria is met. See, let's see what is the definition. Acceptance testing is performed to determine whether a software system meets the acceptance criteria and is ready to deployment. It involves validating the software against user requirements and expectations. For example, if a software is created for a calculator is produced. So, if you are going to do multiple mathematical operations using that calculator, then it should give the proper outcomes to the user, like arithmetical operations. So that is acceptance testing. If a calculator will if the calculator is allowing users to enter characters like alphabetical characters, then acceptance testing, in acceptance testing, that should be a bug and it should be resolved. Fifth one, regression testing. Regression testing verifies that recent code changes have not adversely affected existing functionalities. It ensures that previously developed and tested software still performs correctly after modifications. Let's see. Testers have raised one defect for a module of the software, like the user should, there is a module where user date of birth is required. What user can enter? User can enter any date of birth, but he should be restricted using future date of birth. Okay, so if I raise the defect, if product is accepting future date of birth, then that is defect. If tester raised defect and it fixed by the developers and again they given to verify the defect, what tester will test? If future date of birth are not allowing now for the users, but it must be tested that previous all date of births are accepting. So that is called regression testing, which ensures if the code change is not adversely affected to the existing functionalities. So regression testing is very important. In regression testing, some other fields and other components are being tested to ensure that nothing is affected adversely. So that's all for today's tutorial. In next tutorial, you will be see the definitions of these 5 testing techniques: performance testing, security testing, usability testing, compatibility testing, and smoke testing. So for these type of testing techniques, there are different tools are being used. So we will see those in our next tutorials. Thank you. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe so that you will get notified on our latest updates. Thank you.